All right, so it's cake topper season, guys. We've got graduation cakes, wedding cakes, retirement cakes, summer cakes, I don't know, family reunion cakes, but there's always a cake topper that's needed. So here's a down, dirty, quick, and easy way to make a cake topper design in LightBurn. I'm going to go with snarky funny because that's a little bit of who I am, and I think these are a lot of fun. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and grab your text tool, write your oh, let me scroll in here. Write your funny, snarky, whatever it is. You're dead to us. Great retirement, or for a friend that's leaving your work or moving away. I think it's good. So what I like to do here is I go ahead and pick a font that obviously isn't going to quite match the You're Dead to Us. I am a big fan of Valentine fonts, so I'm going to use lovely Valentine Sans. Actually, a lovely Valentine script. There we go. Oh, pretty. I'm going to do a little bit of typography here. And I am going to edit. I'm going to convert this to a path just so I can move things around a little bit, kind of put things where I want them. Let's say I want this Y to be bigger, to us to fit under here. Kind of resize, resize. I like it. So this will be what my cake topper will say. Now, in order to make a cake topper, I'm going to go ahead and use that offset function. If you've followed me before, you know I like my offsets. So I'm going to highlight all of this. I'm going to go ahead and here do my offset. I like to do about a 1/4 inch offset on these. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to ungroup, turn my offset line or outline red, which is my cut color. And I'm going to take away all these little pieces. And there you go. I have a cake topper. I can cut this out, engrave this, and then I can even take this, Control C, Control V, that's just copy and paste. I'm going to flip it over and add a little 1/8 inch by 1/2 inch line. That's going to go right there. I'm going to copy and paste that, add an extra one of that. I'm going to put this one here, this one here. I'm going to T for top. I'm going to align them by top. It's not Control T. Your hotkeys are generally just the letters. So we're going to hit just the letter T. It's going to align my top here and here. I'm going to scroll that down just a little bit. I'm also going to engrave this on the back so that I have a place to put my wooden skewers or attach my wooden skewers. None of my material is food safe, so I do use wooden skewers that are food safe. I attach them to the back of my cake toppers so that I'm not, not causing any harm to anybody. So then I can just throw those on the laser and roll. Now I did one of these the other night and I wanted to show you the finished file. This is a congrats 2025 grad. Your rent is due on the 1st. I think that one's a lot of fun too. This one I actually went ahead and did 3 iterations of. So I've got option number 1, just a basic front engraved, cut out, and it is back with a line so that I can put my sticks or my skewers. This one I did the same thing. I did a cutout, but I did a score here, and then I cut out some acrylic and put that over this one so that it is a 2-layer design. So it's another option you can do with these. This one, somebody asked if I could do them front to back. In order to do that, I just took this, made a copy of it. Delete those blue. When I'm doing a design front to back that's not symmetrical, I am going to take it and make it symmetrical. So I do a duplicate of it, lay it over it. You know, I'm going to center it. I'm going to center it up and down. I'm going to center it left to right. And then I'm going to reverse one of them, select it, and weld those two pieces together. Now I have a symmetrical piece that I can just pull this into and engrave on this side, flip it over in my laser without moving my material, and engrave on the back side. So that's how to make some different little cake toppers that are easy to make. You can do them single layer, double layer, or engraving front to back, all designed in LightBurn. Thanks so much.